You refuse, say, you refuse, say, you refuse to lose me. You refuse, say, you refuse to lose me. Yeah.
Good evening, everybody. Welcome back to the channel. If you're new, please like, share, and subscribe. If you're a returning guest, you know how we do. Kick off our shoes, like, and share the video. What's up, y'all? Anyway, so today I wanted to share a simple recipe of lobster salad. We got the two fresh lobster tail. We got two small celery sticks. And we're going to use a tomato. And we're going to just chop up the celery as fine as you like it. Just enough so that you can taste it a little bit, but not overpower the lobster. So we're going to cut it down. I think I'm going to use one celery. I don't need a whole lot. Like I said, you don't want to overpower it. Some people use onion cut real fine. Some people use peppers cut real fine. I chose the celery because I feel like the celery takes the place of the onions and the green pepper. And I'm going to eat this on crackers, so it's not like I'm going to, have a whole meal, and I'm not going to add elbow noodles, and because I'm trying to stay away from the whites. And I had yellow rice this weekend, and so, excuse me. I'm just gonna have this on some crackers. In fact, I'm gonna let it sit overnight and have it tomorrow because mom had something else in mind today, so I ate with her. Anyway, so you're gonna chop it up nice and fine. You can mix it together. You could do it separate. I usually chop individually and then mix it up. So you're going to again chop it fine as you like it. I hope everyone's having a blessed and marvelous weekend. We're just gonna continue to keep praying because you know things and people are under attack, whether we want to realize it or not. And anyway, I'm going to get on the prayer line. I've sent out some text messages to those who usually tune in or, kind of participate. But back to the meal. Yeah, so we're going to chop it up nice, chop it up, fine as you like it. Enough where you can taste your meat. I don't like nothing where I can't even taste what I'm having it. So I chopped it up really, really fine. Doing the lobster now, and I just did my small celery. Then you could buy the celery in a small pack, but it's like half of the size of a whole celery stick. And so I'm gonna go ahead and cut my other lobster. I boiled them for about 15 minutes. Then I peeled the tail off, whatever the case. And just continue to chop them up. I am the only one eating this, and so I'm gonna chop it so I can taste this meat. Definitely. So yeah. This is just really simple. You can add other things if you chose to. I chose not to. This is my first time making it actually, and so from here I will see if I need to add anything else or if I'm okay with it just the way it is. I don't want to do onions. I'd rather do the celery. So maybe next time I'll add onions. But no, we'll see. Now I'm gonna cut the tomato. Cut the bottom off. Again, all this stuff is rinsed already, so the tomato is really soft. And so it's very easy to cut. It's gonna in fact let some juice out. I think it tastes kind of good with the juice. Whenever I cut up tomato into something, I like it to be kind of soft and the juice, because the juice is just flavorful for me. And so here we are. We're gonna cut up the tomato, and we're gonna still continue to chop it best we could. Again, it's up to you how you want it. How you're gonna eat it. If you're gonna eat it like this, if you're gonna add elbow noodles, you can add whatever it is you like to add. Me, I'm keeping it simple. Simple celery, lobster tail, and tomato. And I'm going to season it with only salt and pepper, just a little bit of sea salt. So if you want to use regular salt, that is up to you as well. But for me, sea salt it is. And so you're going to chop it up. Again, you chop it up fine as you can. Chop it up, to where you like it. If you like to taste your tomato more than your celery, then you make your tomato bigger than your celery. If you want more meat than veggies, then you chop your meat nice and fine and chop your veggies nice and small, small, small. So now we're going to put it all together and continue to chop it up. This looks like it's going to be delicious. And so I'm going to pour it into the bowl. Again, this is only a solo serving, so it's not a whole lot. But when I'm ready for it, it's definitely gonna be too much for me, and so I'll probably eat on it twice. So you continue, pour it into the bowl. You see how you can see everything. Again, it's up to you how fine you like your meat and your vegetables. I want to taste everything, so this is what I decided, and that's it. Now for mayonnaise, I'm gonna use Duke's mayonnaise, and I'll show you guys that in a minute. First, I'm gonna smash it down, just enough so that everything can get on everything, and so that when you take a bite, you taste everything that you have put into this dish. And that's, how I feel it should be done. And I'm going to use Duke's mayonnaise. I've turned to Duke's in this last year because I found out that Duke's is a black owned food brand. And it's good. I've grown on it. I mean, I would say it's not no Hellman's, but I don't know the difference after a year. So I'm going to take it and stir it up. It's sort of like you would do with the tuna fish, and stir it up to your liking and mix it up. Again, I use Duke's mayonnaise because Duke's is a black owned food brand. And we definitely are all for black businesses. And so this thing looks delicious. I can't wait to taste it on the cracker. Again, I'm going to use black pepper and sea salt. And it's up to you what you decide to season with. You can use your Old Bay or whatever the case. But me, I'm trying to push back, trying to be careful. As you can see, you have chunks of meat, and you will be able to taste your meat. Again, it goes according to how you cut it up. That looks just delicious. Whew, I'm excited. I'm excited. Excited. Make sure y'all hit the like button, subscribe to the channel. And again, give it a try. Let me know how it go. Tag me, comment under the video. Let me know how it worked out for you, what you added, what you didn't add. And listen, add your own touch to your salad. Don't forget to smash that like button and subscribe, peeps.